If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can create an activity item in Sage 50 Accounting within the Maintain Inventory Items window to indicate how time is spent for a customer, job, or for internal administrative work. You can then use the activity items you create within employee or vendor time tickets. You can then bill the customers for the activities you enter. To create an activity item in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Inventory Items from the menu bar to open the Maintain Inventory Items window. Create a new item, and then use the Item Class dropdown to select the Activity Item choice. Then enter the rest of the information for the item into the fields as usual. To save the item when finished, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.